When you think of the Caribbean, you think of endless white sand beaches, calm turquoise waters, and romantic getaways. It is here in this unspoiled splendor where you'll find the best honeymoon destinations. Perhaps nowhere in the Caribbean is a honeymoon more magical than the picturesque island of Saint Lucia. Volcanic mountains draped in blankets of green rise majestically from a clear blue sea. This is Saint Lucia in all its glory. An island paradise full of natural beauty, rich in history, resplendent in romance. A picture-perfect postcard that has honeymoon written all over it. Within the idyllic waters of the Bahamas, life is unspoiled and unhurried. Like tiny jewels scattered across an aquamarine sea, the Bahamian Islands sparkle with wonderful possibilities, inviting honeymooners to discover a sublime utopia where the easygoing rhythms of the Caribbean blend seamlessly with endless white sands. One of the most popular honeymoon destinations on the planet is Jamaica. A diverse and captivating Caribbean island where honeymooners can enjoy the ever-so-playful, fun-filled vibes, or indulge in the laid-back feeling of doing nothing at all except lounging on sun-drenched beaches. Jamaica has something for everyone. If the Caribbean is known for its carefree and playful spirit, then Barbados is its more stylish alter ego. Known for its rainforests, its pristine beaches, and some of the best reefs and diving sites in the islands, you'll revel in the unspoiled beauty and refined sophistication of Barbados, a favorite destination for jet-setters and honeymooners alike.
You light up the sky. You light up.
On the gorgeous island of Antigua, honeymooners will discover an ambiance that is both seductive and serene. Lured by calm, crystal-clear waters in every shade of blue, honeymooners become mesmerized by the 365 white sand beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. Lush tropical gardens create intimate hideaways where romance is always in bloom. For all these reasons, Antigua was voted the most romantic island in the Caribbean.
You make me, I am alive. You make me alive.
To spice things up, we have the Spice Island of the Caribbean, Grenada. Here, honeymooners are free to spend their days doing as much or as little as they please, and loving every minute of the island's West Indies culture that draws its inspiration from France and Britain. Grenada is an enchanting honeymoon destination with sunken treasures adorned by colorful coral reefs, where silky stretches of white sand beaches and unspoiled landscapes evoke an air of relaxation and leisure. If truth be told, it's not just where you honeymoon, it's how you honeymoon. No other all-inclusives in the Caribbean welcome more honeymooners than Sandals Resorts, voted the world's best destination for honeymoons. It's only natural that all 15 Sandals Resorts are located on 7 islands. Each of these islands has a different vibe, but when you're at Sandals, you're assured that you've chosen the best. Because at Sandals, love is all you need. Everything else is included. So if you're looking for the best honeymoon destinations in the Caribbean, look no further than Sandals, where you don't have to worry about a thing except each other.